On site here in Raleigh, North Carolina, getting a 6-inch black gutter ran out. The guys getting them hangers put in every 2 foot. Triple D's coming in, getting them in every 2 foot. Timmy, Austin, and James is coming in right behind them, putting the 1.5-inch screws in for us. Starts out as a flat roll. Comes out looking like some good old crown molding. Student driver. Right there, Raleigh's best, Wake County, North Carolina. Check us out. We go anywhere. We slide over here. Got Mr. John Bryant making downspouts. Probably the best downspout man in the business, most experienced. I've already got some of the gutters hung up here today. You got a nice 6-inch gutter with a 3x4 downspout. Give us a call. 919-268-2462, or check out the website, bkroofingandgutters.com. We got where 2 gutters meet at a corner. This is an outside corner here. We put up what's called an outside box smiter. We got senior installer John Bryant he's working on his year in a couple months, Timothy Smith. Yep, there you go. You give them together, you add your screws, your silicone, and that is how you tie in 2 pieces of gutter. You run it this way, bam, turn the corner as your outside miter. I'll get a picture of the finished product here in a second. This product, outside miter, installed, sealed up. She's good for at least 20 years to come.